Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to find and apply a template in Excel. Now applying template is a pretty simple process, and to do so you simply need to head over to files from the top left side of your screen, and when you do that, in here you will see that we have new option. You can see we have a couple of presets or templates in here, but we need to search for more templates, and for that purpose you can see we have this option of more template. Click on that, and here you can see all of our templates are now available. Now let's say you want some different genre of templates, so you can see we have suggested searches, business, personal, planner and trackers, list, budget, chart and calendars. Let's say I want to select something from business template. Click on business, and here you can see all of these templates will be related to business. Let's just select any of these. Let's just select one of these. Click on the template and click on create, and after a couple of seconds you can see our template is now loaded into our sheet, and now you can simply modify all of its adjustments, values, and completely adjust it according to your likings. Similarly, if I want anything except business, I can just select something like personal, and in here you can see we have other beautiful templates as well. Simply select any of these templates, click on that and click on create, and you can see our template is now loaded. So that's a pretty simple process. I really hope this video was helpful and you learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.